All right, so if you are facing problem in your GCSE or IGCSE, I have a complete course on my website, mathzem.com. You can visit this website and explore the courses. Okay, so let's come back to this question. So we need to solve this question. So therefore, I will divide this shape into three different areas. So I will draw a line here. By the way, this is 4. I will call this area 1. Then I will draw a line here. I will call this as area 2. And I will call the last one as area 3. So you will find out all these three areas and then we will add them up together to get the total area. So let's start with A1. To find out area 1, so this is a rectangle. So in order to find the area 1, so we need to multiply this 4 with that side. Now that side is not given. So we need to find out that side. How can we find? So you can see the total length from top to bottom is 12. That is 12. So if I subtract 5 from 12 and 4 from 12, so I will subtract this part and that part. So ultimately I will get that area, that line. So let's do that. 12 minus 5, 12 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, so I have subtracted this line and that line. So 12 minus 4 is 8 and 8 minus 5 is 3. So it means this line is 3. This place is 3. So now we have both the sides. So let's multiply them together. So area 1 is equal to 4 times 3 is 12. Now let's come to area 2. So area 2 is, we will multiply this line, and that line. So now that line, this line is given, which is 5. 5 multiply this line. So which is equal to, the horizontal line is equal to 6 plus 8. So 6 plus 8 is area 2, which is equal to 6 multiply, 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So 14 multiply 5. That is equal to 70. So area 2 is equal to 70. Now let's find out area 3. So area 3 is multiplication of this side and that side. So area 3 is 4 times 8. So which is 32. So let's add them up together. So area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3, which is equal to, add all these numbers, which is 70, 12 and 32. So total area is 114 centimeter square because all the dimensions were given in centimeter. Okay, I hope that is clear.